The Solomon Conspiracy, a family torn apart by death, accusation, and a murder plot. Imagine a family shattered by tragedy, consumed by accusations, and ultimately, allegedly driven to the brink of murder. This is the story of the Solomons, a national family whose lives have been ripped apart by a series of devastating events, culminating in a shocking arrest. Give a like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Angelia Solomon, a 55-year-old pharmacist, now stands accused of the unthinkable: solicitation to commit first-degree murder. The target? Her ex-husband, Aaron Solomon, a former news anchor in Nashville. The charges allege that Angelia attempted to hire a hitman to end Aaron's life. This chilling accusation has sent shockwaves through the Nashville community and beyond. The alleged plot unfolded in a shopping mall in Franklin, Tennessee. Angelia reportedly met with an undercover police officer posing as a contract killer. During this meeting, Angelia allegedly requested that Aaron disappear and be put underground. These words paint a disturbing picture of her intentions. As collateral, Angelia is said to have provided the undercover officer with Aaron's vehicle registration. This act suggests a level of planning and commitment to the alleged crime. She also allegedly promised future payment for the hit, solidifying the agreement. The details are chilling and point to a calculated plan. Angelia allegedly provided the officer with information about Aaron's potential workplaces and residence. This information would have been crucial for carrying out the alleged murder. The motive behind this alleged plot is particularly disturbing: access to a trust fund for their daughter, Gracie, upon Aaron's death. This adds a layer of financial incentive to the already shocking accusations. The Solomon family has a history of allegations and deep-seated animosity. This history provides a crucial context for understanding the current charges. Angelia has repeatedly accused Aaron of being responsible for the death of their son, Grant. This accusation has fueled years of conflict and resentment. Grant's death in 2020 was ruled an accident, a devastating blow to the family. However, the circumstances surrounding his death remain a point of contention. Family members have disputed the official ruling, questioning the events that led to Grant's tragic passing. This disagreement has further fractured the family. Adding another layer of complexity, their daughter Gracie has accused Aaron of sexual abuse. These accusations have further strained the already tense relationship between Angelia and Aaron. It's important to note that Aaron Solomon has not been charged in either Grant's death or Gracie's allegations. However, these events have undoubtedly shaped the family's dynamics. The legal battles between Angelia and Aaron predate the recent arrest. A 2014 temporary restraining order paints a picture of a family in crisis. The restraining order was issued against Angelia due to what were described as baseless allegations of abuse against Aaron. This suggests a pattern of accusations and legal conflict. The order also restricted Angelia's visitation with their children, highlighting the severity of the concerns. The court's decision reflects the gravity of the situation. Court documents reportedly cited concerns about Angelia's mental health. These concerns add another layer of complexity to the already troubled family history. Angelia Solomon is a pharmacist employed by United Healthcare. Her professional background contrasts sharply with the gravity of the charges she now faces. She was arrested on Friday, April 12th, and is currently being held in jail. The arrest has sent shockwaves through her professional and personal circles. Her bond has been set at $500,000, a significant amount reflecting the seriousness of the charges. This high bond underscores the court's concern. Angelia is scheduled to appear in court for a reduction hearing. This hearing will determine whether her bond will be lowered, allowing for potential release. Aaron Solomon is a former news anchor at WSMV-TV in Nashville. His public profile adds another layer of intrigue to this already sensational case. The meeting with the undercover officer reportedly took place at the Cool Springs Mall, a busy shopping center in Franklin. The choice of location suggests a degree of brazenness. Angelia Solomon is 55 years old, a detail that humanizes the individual behind the shocking allegations. age often plays a role in how we perceive crime. The arrest occurred on April 11th, marking a pivotal moment in this unfolding drama. The date will forever be etched in the family's history. The meeting with the undercover officer took place at approximately 2:15 p.m., a seemingly ordinary time for an extraordinary event. The banality of the time contrasts sharply with the gravity of the situation. Grant Solomon's death was ruled as being run over by his own car, a tragic accident that continues to haunt the family. The circumstances surrounding his death remain a source of pain and contention. The Sumner County District Attorney's Office ruled that there was no criminal act involved in Grant's death. This ruling has been a source of frustration and anger for some family members. The family has demanded further investigation into Grant's death, seeking answers and closure. Their pursuit of justice continues to this day. Angelia remains held in jail on a $500,000 bond, awaiting her next court appearance. Her fate hangs in the balance as the legal process unfolds. Her scheduled court appearance is set for Tuesday, April 15th, a date that will likely determine the next chapter in this tragic saga. The court's decision will have far-reaching consequences. This case is a complex web of accusations, tragedy, and alleged criminal behavior. The Solomon family's story is a cautionary tale of how grief and resentment can spiral out of control. What truly happened in the Solomon family? Was Angelia driven to desperation by grief and anger? Or is there more to this story than meets the eye? The answers to these questions remain elusive, shrouded in a cloud of suspicion and legal proceedings. Only time will tell what the truth truly is. The Solomon case is a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of unresolved grief and unchecked anger. It's a story that demands our attention and compels us to consider the complexities of family dynamics and the potential for tragedy. Now we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this case? Do you believe Angelia Solomon is guilty? What factors do you think contributed to this alleged crime? Share your opinions and insights in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth true crime analysis and investigations. Click the notification bell to stay updated on the latest developments in this case and others like it. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support helps us continue to bring you compelling true crime content. Finally, if you or someone you know is struggling with grief, anger, or mental health issues, please seek help. Resources are available, and you don't have to go through it alone. Visit the National Alliance on Mental Illness (NAMI) website or call their helpline for support and information.